Back with the BlogLive. Anyone feeling the intensity of the eclipse? I mean, it's more than I expected, that's for sure. And I thought I should do a video because I've been coming across the same problem lately. I mean, for a while now, but I've been pulling tarot cards and runes and astrology charts and and everything, and it's like at this point I'm like, these things, I don't know how much they even matter because it's about the unpredictability. So what I'm trying to do with all these things is to predict or to interpret a certain situation. And the situation is not predictable right now. It's very unpredictable. The birds agree. And yes. And it's more about the emotions and the intuition. But we do very much need our intellect. I mean, hello? They're gonna come inside, I guess. We do need our intellect, and that's why, hence the books. I'm filming part of my library. It's just a piece, small piece actually. I didn't buy all these books. They're family books. Anyways, I'm filming the books because it's about the intellect. It's about how trained is your intellect right now to trace yourself, to see, to intellectualize, if that's a word, to mentally see the structure, the illusion you've created around something you wanted to appear other than it is. I mean, how good were you at wrapping things so they would look the way you want them to look, not the way they actually are? Again, obviously it's about personas and masks and shadows, but the emotions are so strong right now that chances are you're gonna, well, go haywire. They're gonna haywire your brain if your brain can't have an explanation of what the F is going on. And well, for everyone it's different. I mean, for everyone it's a different thing of what's going on, obviously, but at the same time it's the same freaking archetype, the archetype of emotions and intellectualizing the emotions and making sense of the details and putting the puzzle together, but at the same time trusting that you're doing the right puzzle, trusting that your intuition tells you, dude, you got caught up in someone else's puzzle. This is not your effing puzzle. I mean, yeah, it's part of it. I mean, maybe a piece or two, but it's not your puzzle. You need to recognize who's playing who and what. And in order to do that, you need the freaking courage, the heart, coming from the heart, to admit where you have failed, to admit where you have needs, to admit where you are not strong and you actually need someone to be there for you, to help you, to admit that you need help. I don't know, to admit that you've been playing the wrong role, to admit that all those emotions you thought that you could bury, they live in a dam, and when the dam breaks loose, well, floods happen, hence hence Europe. That's an energy we should, I mean, this earth is alive. It's trying to tell us something. So if there are floods, I mean, there's a lot of repressed something, and that something, well, if the water is pure, maybe it's a washout, you know, like as in or a shower or bath. But if the water is dark, then well, that's a lot of fear and anxiety and pretend and shadow. So yes, water, emotions, mind, swords. Yes, it's about trusting the things you can't touch. That's what it's about. That's what I would say. That's my slice of the big slice. And maybe I will do a video on, but no, I'm gonna keep it simple. Let's stick to this for now. Blessings and blessings. Trust yourself. Intuition is the key. You'll know what's right. You'll know where the wind will take you. Kisses and hello to my new subscribers. I appreciate you all.